So I don't really do video reviews, but I feel so strongly about sacred supplements, Ormus, that I actually felt compelled to do one. For those of you who don't know, Ormus is often called the fifth state of matter, as laboratory tests fail to fully identify many of its exotic materials. They are basically the platinum metals alchemically altered to a high-spin electron state. Ormus has a very profound effect on the mind, body, and spirit. It is believed to synchronize the two hemispheres of the brain, creating a heightened sense of awareness, improved emotional stability, and a connection to the higher self or astral body. Biologically speaking, Ormus seems to transmute into whatever the body needs to repair itself. I personally do a lot of Qigong, yoga, Tai Chi, meditation, and things of that nature. Ormus helps to enhance all of my energy work and bring my practices to a whole nother level, really. As soon as I take Ormus, I feel electric. It's almost as though I plug right into this. My meditations are way more intense. It also seems to connect my mind and body in a very harmonious way. It is a very intense experience, and it is really uncomparable to anything I can think of. I actually have two friends who do a lot of yoga and meditations, and they're very into it. They have gone and done a lot of events with masters of all trades, such as yogis, etc. They both told me their experiences with Ormus were more intense than anything they had ever experienced. So without further ado, this is my recent order, so I want to open this up with you guys and see what's inside. So here we go. So it's definitely like very well wrapped. I mean, there's not really like a whole lot of wrapping going on in there. Pretty thick sheet of bubble wrap. And then these tins, I believe this one is $4 or $5, and this one's $4. I forget which is which. One's 4, one's 5. But these are to protect the Ormus. It's very EMF sensitive. And inside, they're actually wrapped up really, really well. Bag. It's got bubble wrap on the outside, which I'm going to keep that in there. That's a really good idea. And then in here, this is the Ormus itself. This is actually wrapped and protected with tin foil, which resists it from EMF. I personally am not going to open this. I actually do have a bottle currently going. When you look at it, it is a very creamy white substance, which to me doesn't really have like much of an effect. But I have given it to other people, and some people say that they're not very fond of the taste. I do not eat it concentrated. I mix it with like 8 ounces of water, and I drink it. That's how I personally do it. But it actually does come with, conveniently enough, a sheet on how to use all of their supplements, directions, storage, how to benefit the effects of Ormus and everything. And then there's a bunch of peanuts on the bottom of the box. So, I mean, it's very well packaged. It's professionally done, without a doubt. I really like how he packages this. It got here quick. It was like 2 days from when I ordered it to me having it in my hands, which is awesome. Kind of like an Amazon experience, if you will. Some other things that I guess I'll touch on a side note about that I liked about my shopping experience with Sacred Supplements was I use PayPal a lot for stuff and for some of the things I do, so they accept PayPal, which is awesome because that's typically how I shop, which is through my PayPal. Definitely fast shipping. I mean, it got here in like 2 days. It came with insurance. My tracking number was sent to me like as soon as the package was shipped, with an estimated time of arrival. I didn't get any junk email, which is a rarity these days. Typically, whenever you order anything, you get some sort of like auto-subscribe, and you start getting all sorts of weekly emails on a subscription basis. And I didn't get any of that with these guys. I mean, it's safety sealed glass bottles. It's foil wrapped for EMF protection. And I mean, they offer the storage and tins, which are just great. I highly recommend these. And then you also get sent to you a free link to Ormus optimization instructions, which to me is just excellent. I all around really enjoyed my experience. I mean, as far as the shopper's side of things, and I thought I'd share that with you, and I highly recommend trying this out. If you have any interest, do it. I really, really recommend you do it. It's an amazing experience. And with that said, good luck, and I hope you enjoyed.